Have you ever looked up at the night sky and been amazed by how huge it is? This feeling isn't something new. For a long time, people have been fascinated by the stars and planets. It was the early astronomers who first started to figure out what was going on up there, laying the groundwork for everything we know about the universe today. Let's start our journey in ancient Babylon, over 2,500 years ago. In this early cradle of civilization, people were busy watching and recording the movements of stars and planets. They weren't just doing this out of curiosity. It was essential for their farming, sailing, and religious ceremonies to understand the patterns they saw in the sky. Then we jump to ancient Greece. A thinker named Aristarchus from the island of Samos suggested something revolutionary, that the Earth moves around the sun. This idea went against what most people believed back then. While not many people accepted his idea at the time, Aristarchus laid an important foundation for future discoveries in astronomy. The story takes a dramatic turn with Claudius Ptolemy in the 2nd century AD. His book, Almagest, was the go-to guide for understanding the sky for over 1,000 years. Ptolemy believed everything in space revolved around the Earth. He was wrong, but his work showed how much people could figure out with very simple tools. The plot gets more interesting during the Renaissance, a time when knowledge and discoveries were booming. Enter Nicolaus Copernicus, a Polish astronomer. He brought back the idea that the Earth orbits the Sun. His book, published in 1543, started a big change in how people thought about the universe. Next, we meet Tycho Brahe, Johannes Kepler, and Galileo Galilei. Brahe's careful tracking of how planets move, together with Kepler's rules about this motion, changed our understanding of space. Galileo, using a better telescope, was the first to see Jupiter's moons, challenging the old idea that everything in space was perfect. The high point of our story is with Isaac Newton in the late 17th century. His laws about motion and gravity brought together all the previous discoveries. His work marked a huge shift in our understanding of the universe. These early astronomers, with their constant curiosity and brilliance, prepared the way for modern space exploration. They changed how we see the universe from a small, Earth-centered view to a huge, ever-changing space. Their work shows the power of careful watching and critical thinking. In the vastness of space, we find not just stars and planets, but also the lasting impact of the first people who tried to understand them.